Hello, my name is Orch Von Cabaluna Surinap from the Philippines. My chess journey started in 2022 with Sir Mark Gallio as my trainer. I was a newbie, but with Sir Mark's dedication, patience, and trust in me, I started learning and playing chess. Now, 2 years later, I'm already a chess enthusiast, joining and winning tournaments. My top achievements include 2023 PRISA second place individual category, Batang Pinoy Iloilo City Delegate, and 2024 PRISA champion individual category, and third place team category in the Iloilo School Sports Council meet. Sir Raymart has been a great influence to my chess journey. He has been a great trainer, mentor, and friend. Thank you, Sir Raymart.